Hello everybody, welcome to our very first English lesson on distance learning for JSS1. We shall start the series with lessons on listening and speaking. Listening and speaking are very important skills that help very much in language learning. They are the most basic skills in the learning of any language. We learn a language by listening to it and speaking it. Everything is made up of parts. Language is no exception. Two important parts of any language are the alphabet and the phonetic symbols. The letters with which we write A, B, C, D to Z are collectively called the alphabet. They were derived from the Greek language alpha, beta, and so on. We have capital letters A, B, C, D to Z and small letters A, B, C, D to Z. Phonetic symbols, on the other hand, are symbols which tell us which sounds are used in listening and speaking. There are two basic sounds in every language. These are vowels and consonants. In today's lesson, our focus is on pure vowel sounds. Specifically, we shall practice listening to and producing vowels 1 and 2. Here are the objectives we want to achieve by the end of this lesson. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to 1. Define pure vowel sounds. Define pure vowel sounds. 2. Identify vowels 1 and 2. Identify vowels 1 and 2. 3. Distinguish between vowels 1 and 2. Distinguish between vowels 1 and 2. And 4. Produce vowels 1 and 2 correctly in isolation and also with given words. Produce vowels 1 and 2 correctly in isolation and also with given words. So, we have 4 objectives to achieve in this lesson, and so pay attention as we go along. First, let us make sure we know what a vowel is. A vowel is a sound made by the voice with no obstruction by the tongue, teeth, or lips. A vowel is a sound made by the voice with no obstruction by the tongue, teeth, or lips. Examples of vowels are these phonetic presentations: A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, and U. Looking at the examples of vowels just given, the following different types of vowels should be identified. Here they are. Single sound vowels, example, I, A, and E. Double sound vowels, example, I. And triple sound vowels, example, I. Single sound vowels, example, I, A, and E. Double sound vowels, example, I. And triple sound vowels, example, I. A pure vowel sound is a single sound in English. Some of the words which you will learn about later. For the moment, remember that the 2 dots or colon tell us that the vowel is a long one. Keep that in mind. Vowel 1, I. Vowel 2, I. Vowel 3, E. Vowel 4, A. Vowel 5, A. Vowel 6, O. Vowel 7, Oi. Vowel 8, U. Vowel 9, U. Vowel 10, and vowel 11, For today's lesson, let us limit ourselves to the first two pure vowel sounds, as we have said earlier on. We shall examine them one after the other. First, we shall look at vowel 1. Now, say it after me. E. Again. E. Put the back of your hand on your throat as you make E. Do you feel anything on your hand? Look at me do it and do the same. E. What do you observe? And now, let us go to the observation. There is a shaking feeling on your hand as a result of the vibration in your voice. The voice vibrates, that is, shakes as you make E. Note that there is vibration in the voice when you make any vowel sound, but the sound comes out freely from the mouth without any obstruction. Here are some words in which E occurs. Eat, speak, seat, bead, bean, see, flee, fleece, pea, beak, dean, tea, beat, bee, win, peace, see, seen, bean, teen, feet, beat, we, wheel, sheen, knee, key, receipt, and queen. Eat, speak, seat, bead, bean, see, flee, fleece, pea, beak, dean, tea, beat, bee, win, peace, see, seen, bean, teen, feet, beat, we, wheel, sheen, knee, key, receipt, and queen. The sound is very common in English. It is the long vowel which lived to shorten. Example, sheep becomes ship, and so on. After this lesson, look for 12 other words with the E sound and list them. Note that E is realized from different letters of the alphabet. Example, B, E, E, peace, E, A, receipt, E, I. The same sound is made by 3 different combination letters. This fact makes English spelling difficult since the letters of the alphabet do not have a one-to-one counterpart in the phonetic sounds. Through different letter combinations, we can produce the same sound. We can identify the sound through constant practice as we are doing in this lesson. The following letter combinations are pronounced as E in the words we have just seen. EA as in eat, speak, C, P, bean, dean. EA as in eat, speak, C, P, bean, dean. EE as in see, flee, seen. Bean, teen, feet. EE as in see, flee, seen. Bean, teen, feet. EY as in key. EY as in key. EI as in receipt, deceive, receive and perceive. EI as in receipt, deceive, receive and perceive. UE as in queen. UE as in queen, and E as in we, he and she. E as in we, he and she. Note that combinations like EA and EE are more common than others, but EA is not always E. And an example is STEAK, a slice of meat which is pronounced a steak, and STEAD, which is also pronounced differently as stead. Practice these words after me. Eat, speak, seat, beat, see, flee, pea, bean, bee, wean, peas, peace, sheen, queen, beat, beat, feet, receipt, deceit, and cheat. Practice these words after me. Eat, speak, seat, beat, see, flee, pea, bean, bee, wean, peas, peace, sheen, queen, beat, beat, feet, receipt, deceit, and cheat. Here are some sentences. Listen to them. Eat the steak the queen made with a piece of bread. Eat the steak the queen made with a piece of bread. The queen's team has beaten their key rivals by 3 goals to 0. The queen's team has beaten their key rivals by 3 goals to 0. Kofi is a cheat. He deceived me into betting. Kofi is a cheat. He deceived me into betting. And now, vowel 2. Vowel 2 is a short vowel. Remember, the mark colon is not placed beside short vowels. The 2 dots are for long vowels. Here are vowels 1 and 2. They often confuse listeners and speakers. Note their forms well. Vowel 1, E, seat, feet, beat. Vowel 1, E, seat, feet, beat. Vowel 2, E, sit, fit, bit. Vowel 2, E, sit, fit, bit. Now, can you identify either of them? Good. Here are some words with vowel 2. Sit, fit, bit, tit, knit, kit, wit, pin, bin, fin, thin, win, shin, kill, will, till, pit, big, picnic, women, minute, village, and splendid. Sit, fit, bit, tit, knit, kit, wit, pin, bin, fin, thin, win, shin, kill, will, till, pit, big, picnic, women, minute, village, and splendid. Again, note that different letters combine to produce the same E sound. Examples are A as in village, A as in village, E as in women, knitted, wanted, and market. E as in women, knitted, wanted, and market. I as in sit, fit, bit, sin, win, kill, fill, and so on. I as in sit, fit, bit, sin, win, kill, fill, and so on. O as in women, O as in women, U as in minute, U as in minute. Note also the same letters produce different sound in different situations. An example is U as in but. In but, B-U-T, the U sound, and in put, P-U-T, it sounds U. Let's practice some sentences with words which have the short E sound in them. Don't sit with your bits of knitted kits on the seat. Don't sit with your bits of knitted kits on the seat. Throw the dustbin the women gave you into the pit near the village market. Throw the dustbin the women gave you into the pit near the village market. This pin is not fit for the thing you are knitting for the picnic. This pin is not fit for the thing you are knitting for the picnic. At this point, let us distinguish between the two confusing sounds again. Vowel 1, seat. Vowel 2, sit. Wean, win. Beat, bit. Teen, tin. Scheme, skim. Vowel 1, seat. Vowel 2, sit. Wean, win. Beat, bit. Teen, tin. Scheme, skim. Keel, kill. Feel, fill. Steal, still. Wheel, will. Weak, wick. Keel, kill. Feel, fill. Steal, still. Wheel, will. Weak, wick. Weak, wick. Seek, sick. Seen, sin. Weak, wick. Seek, sick. Seen, sin. In summary, for this lesson, we have done the following. We have defined pure vowel sounds as single sounds, identified vowel 1 as in E and vowel 2 as in E, said that vowel 1 is a long vowel, while vowel 2 is a short vowel. We have also said that the sign colon distinguishes long from short vowels, identified letters or letter combinations which produced vowels 1 and 2, distinguished between vowels 1 and 2. We have listened to the production of vowels 1 and 2 and practiced the production of vowels 1 and 2. Now here are our friends. Let's watch them and pick a few examples.
As usual, be careful with your bags and don't touch any of the statues, alright?
Alright, Uncle.
I shall pick you up at 2.
Okay, Uncle.
That's my girl.
Can we eat our sandwiches now? Yes, I'm hungry. After that, we can look around for some more interesting things. Okay. Oh, who took my canned beans? Who could have done that? Could it be Anoche? No, I don't speak to him. He's not my friend. Oh, Dad, you're a cheat. You stole my beans. The sandwich already has beans. Why do you want to add more beans? I didn't know it had some. I'll keep it for next time. Now give it to me.
This is what we call the Kwame Nkrumah Museum. Kwame Nkrumah was the first president of Ghana. He was overthrown in 1966 and went to live in Guinea. In Guinea, he was made the co-president. In 1971, he fell sick and died in 1972. When he died, he was buried in Guinea. But in 1972, he was brought down to Ghana and buried in his hometown called Nkrofo. And in 1992, he was brought down to Accra and buried here. So this is the third time that Kwame Nkrumah is being buried. And we believe this is going to be his final resting place. Yes?
Sir, People come all the way from the village to this place
They do. Why do you ask?
because it is a very beautiful place and I want everybody to see it.
Yes, they come here a lot, especially on festive days. Yes.
Do people also come here for a picnic?
No, we don't want them to litter the place. If you look around, you will notice that the place is very clean. It is clean because we take good care of this place. Any more questions?
No, sir.
Right, let's move on.
Now here's an exercise for you. Listen to me. I am going to read out some words. Identify which word should be with vowel 1 and which for vowel 2. Win, fin, team, tin, fill, feel, wean, village, thing, queen, steal, still, wheel, will, win, fin, team, tin, fill, feel, wean, village, thing, queen, steal, still, wheel, will. Here are my own answers. Win, vowel 2. Fin, vowel 2. Team, vowel 1. Tin, vowel 2. Fill, vowel 2. Feel, vowel 1. Wean, vowel 1. Village, vowel 2. Thing, vowel 2. Queen, vowel 1. Steal, vowel 1. Still, vowel 2. Wheel, vowel 1. And will, vowel 2. And finally, here are some sentences with both vowels 1 and 2. Please fill the bucket for me. The sinful boy was caught with his finger still in the till. If you win the match, I will knit a beautiful handkerchief for you to take to the picnic next week. Put all the litter you pick into the dustbin. Good. Please keep practicing vowels 1 and 2 till we meet again. Goodbye.